What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Facebook story viewers. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top right and then go to your profile. As you can see, I have a story in here. So if I want to change my story privacy, what I need to do is just to go back and go to my story section, and in here I have to just tap on the gear icon on the top right, and in here as you can see there is an option of hide story from. So in here if you just tap it, you can select from your friends, from the people from which you want to just hide your story, and the people will be hidden so that your viewers too. So you can also custom or choose people to share your stories with. You can just choose a few people you want to share your story with. So yeah, this is how you can just remove Facebook story viewers. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.